Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T40 Pro, and let me share with you how to turn off ads and their personalization. So let's begin with opening the settings. And let's start with scrolling to the top to find network and internet. Then scroll down and go to Private DNS, and here mark Private DNS provider hostname. Tap on this section and enter dns.adguard.com and tap on save. Thanks to entering this private DNS, your device will limit the advertisements. Moreover, in settings, you can also scroll all the way down to find Google services. Let's tap. And for some reason, it stopped, but no worries. Let's do it again. Tap on Google services, and here tap on all services. Scroll a little bit to find the ads. And here we've got something which is called advertising ID. And it is not responsible for the amount of advertisements which you can see, but for the personalization. So for example, if you are looking for a specific item, for example, I don't know, a table lamp, or I don't know, a specific book, then your device will show you the advertisements which are targeted on that kind of items and that kind of offers. They will show you different discounts, different offers from different shops, and they will try to force you, let's say, to click into that ad and buy it. So this is what advertising ID does, and I highly recommend to simply tap on Reset Advertising ID, tap on Confirm, and then Delete Advertising ID to completely get rid of that. So thanks to it, maybe you will see the same amount of advertisements, but they will not be that much personalized, which is great, in my personal opinion. Alright, another thing which you can do is to actually turn off the notifications from the apps which are showing you advertisements, because sometimes some kind of apps will show you the advertisements right here in this notification panel. And what you can do is to actually turn off notifications. So let's pretend that I'm receiving a lot of notifications with advertisements from Google Play Store. So just find the app, tap on it and hold it, and then tap on App Info. We will be transferred to this section connected with the Play Store. So let's go to notifications, and here, as you can see, after scrolling down, we can see a lot of categories of notifications which we receive. And what I recommend to do here is to find the category which is somehow connected with the advertisement. So for example, in my case, payments, deals and recommendations sounds like the category which is connected with the advertisements, let's be honest. So all we have to do is to simply tap on the switcher next to it and simply turn it off. Of course, if you can turn off all of the notifications from this specific app because it is not, I don't know, a mailing app or the app associated with, I don't know, social media, whatever. If you don't need the notifications from this app, I highly recommend to simply turn off all of them just by tapping on this switcher right here. But as I said, it's completely up to you. And as a last resort, maybe not last resort, but I just wanted to remind you about the ad blocks. And I know that it might be obvious for a lot of you, but I just wanted to mention that there are a lot of ad blocks which are not associated only with browsers, but also with systems. So after entering the Play Store and going to search, I highly recommend to simply enter the ad block here, or ad blocker, something like that, and search for the apps, because we've got different options, like for example the content blocker. Here we've got ad blocker for Android, etc. So really try to find the app which will actually help you to limit the amount of advertisements. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.